Hey traders, welcome to a new scalping video where I'm going to backtest one of my Discord members, his strategy. He's called Illustrio. He made this strategy, he combined a lot of indicators together and he explained me quite good how to use it, and I'm going to backtest this for him 100 times. He had some nice win rate rated on a risk reward of 1.1. Yeah, there are some basic rules for this one. So for this strategy, we're gonna use the zero lag moving average. It's the yellow line. It's a chandelier exit, the VRVP, that's the volume profile on the right side. And we are gonna use the ADX, and we are gonna place a horizontal line on the 20 level. But we are gonna remove everything first. So we have a clean chart. We go to the 5 minutes of the BTC USDT, and let me add everything for you so you can work with me. So first we're gonna add the ZLSMA, the zero lag from verified, very fit. The other one is the chandelier exit of Everget. The other one is going to be the ADX. It's that one. For the free users, you're not going to be able to use all these strategies together, but in the end I always recommend to use the Pro license. It's pretty cheap on TradingView and you get a lot of in its returns. So you get a lot of indicators, and you can get indicators which you normally cannot use, like the VRVP. And this is a really important indicator. Right here there's a lot of volume, so these are places where you are literally looking for trades. These lighter zones are not the best on this moment to take trades, so we are looking for a higher profile places like that. So on the ADX it's all gonna be default. We're gonna place a horizontal line on the 20 level. Just go around the 21 on the 20 level, I mean. Just press Alt H. If you double press it, you can set it to exactly 20 if you want. Like that. In the chandelier exit, we want to change some settings. The ATR is going to be, let me check, hold up. The ATR should be 1. And the multiplier is going to be 1.85. So there are a few rules before we can get into a trade. Right here, we only go from the chandelier exit entries. And if it says a sell position right there, and you are underneath the zero lag moving average, and you are above the 30 level, 20 level on the ADX, and the volume profile is on the higher side, then you can take an entry. So right here we could have taken a short position after this signal, so it should be there. It's depending on what you want, but we are going to place the stop loss on the last swing high. We're gonna use a 1.1 risk reward ratio, like here. I'm gonna show you a few more in the beginning right now. So right here, if you zoom in right here. So if we went back to here. Where did we get the entry of the buy signal? It's right there. The volume is high. The buy signal is above the yellow line, that is what we want. Sell should be below it. The ADX is higher than the 20 level, so we can take a long position right there after the candle close. Last swing low, it's around there. We do a 1.1 risk reward. So that would have been a nice profit. So that is how we are going to use it. Let me check for one more short position. It's not really above it. It's not really above it. These were decent end trades, but we want to have everything on the right side, and the ADX is not high enough for me for these ones. I want it to be increasing and not decreasing almost at the 20 level. That is not what I want. Short positions underneath. Sell is underneath. Okay, right here we have one entry. And this red line is a point of interest. That is the highest place of the volume, by the way. So we have a sell position right here. After the candle close, we will set a short position right there on the last swing high. I would just do it above this bar, or it's a bit depending. I would do it there. We go 1.1. It would have played out. It doesn't really matter. We would have hit both of them. But yeah, that is going to be the trading strategy. I'm gonna backtest this 100 times and I'll come back to you with the results. So I did 100 backtests and the results aren't that great, unfortunately for me. For the creator of the strategy, Illustrio, he had a win rate of 70+%. Maybe I'm doing it wrong, but it took me 30 days to get 100 trades on a 5-minute chart with a risk reward of 1, with a win percentage of 52%. But because you are using swing trading and not a static win percentage, it can fluctuate. So my gain on account is in a minus 0.5%. So yeah, it's one of the worst strategies right now. But keep in mind, I might use it wrong, but I think I did it like he told me. Yeah, until now, it's not for me a strategy to use. Maybe it works better on you. And in the end, every strategy is personal. Maybe he also used trend lines and support and resistance on it. That can always help your win rate. But I only use the indicators, but still the Fibonacci for me is the winner. And yeah, if you want to trade like us on BYBIT, please use the link down in the description below. You can get a nice bonus, and that is up to $600, and you help us out as well. If you also want to have your strategy tested by us, just jump in our Discord and talk to us. We will guide you, and I will talk to you, and let's talk about some new strategies. So I'll hope to see you in the next one. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll hope to see you in the next one. Cheers.